Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Make sure you own the Gmail account and your Android is unlocked and online. Open Settings, tap Google, then Autofill Service and choose Passwords. Alternatively, open Chrome and go to Settings, right arrow Passwords. When you find the entry for your Gmail address, tap it and authenticate with your device PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once authenticated, the saved password field will be revealed. You're checking locally saved credentials first because this is fastest and keeps control on your device. If nothing showed in System Autofill, open Chrome and go to Settings, right arrow Passwords. Use the search box to filter by your Gmail address. Chrome Sync stores credentials when enabled, or open Passwords. Google. Com and sign in with your Google account to access Google Password Manager across devices. When you locate the Gmail entry, tap or click to authenticate with your device security, then view or copy the password. Once copied, paste into the Gmail sign-in field and sign in, making sure to re-enable any autofill options you prefer. If saved passwords aren't available, open the Gmail sign-in and tap Forgot Password. Enter your email and follow the recovery flow. Try device prompts, confirm a recent password, accept a verification code sent to your recovery phone or email, or answer account questions. Once verified, create a new strong password and sign in. Make sure to update saved credentials in Password Manager and enable recovery options. Troubleshooting tip: if two-step verification blocks recovery, use your backup codes or the device you previously used to sign in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.